I think that one of the main challenges are not the machines, are the humans.
Yeah.
We that are the ones who design these kind of algorithms, you know. So we are especially worried about what we call fate algorithms, right?
Mm-hmm.
F comes from fairness, so we should develop fair algorithms, algorithms that do not discriminate people, for instance.
Mm-hmm.
They learn from data, this data might be biased, and we might be like propagating the bias if we do not develop these algorithms properly, right? The second letter is A, that comes from accountability. So every system that is developed using AI should have someone that has like the responsibility of this deployment and of the results of the algorithm, especially when we are talking about algorithms that have any effect on humans, right? Then we have the T of transparency. We should create algorithms that are transparent in the sense that we can know how they think, how they make the decisions. So that's a nice way also to detect biases as well in these machines, right? And finally, ethics. So we should consider ethics is something really important. So do not create algorithms or systems that may harm or may discriminate as well. This is strictly related to fairness as well.